Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Then type cd space c colon slash and hit enter. Now type cd space windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space c colon /bcd backup then hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.